Sa panahon ng Kwaresma, pinagninilayan ba natin kung paano nakakaapekto ang ating mga gawain sa mga nangangailangan? Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po't magkapet padasal. Have you ever seen someone in need, a stranger struggling with groceries, or a friend facing tough times? It's easy to feel compelled to help, but we often hesitate. As we enter Lent, we are reminded that our actions have eternal consequences, urging us to live with intention. Inaanyayahan po tayo sa panahon ng Kwaresma na maging mapagmalasakit sa kapwa, inspiring us to assist others through small acts of kindness or larger commitments to service. But most importantly, this season invites us to recognize the dignity of every person, fostering empathy and responsibility while challenging us to confront our biases and engage with the marginalized. Sa panahon ng Kwaresma, O Panginoon, gabayan mo kami sa aming pagninilay ukol sa aming paggalang sa dignidad ng bawat isa at sa mga gawaing may malasakit sa kapwa. Amen.